So right in the beginning of lockdown, I shared my lockdown ringtone for my phone. And it was, I'm happy, happy. And that was great for the first 4 or 5 days of the staycation. But then it felt like I got plunged into the middle of that sport. I've seen a picture once, and I think it's called chess boxing or boxing chess or something like that. And I've just seen a picture, and I guess this is what it feels to me. Like you set up this chess game in the middle of the boxing ring, and then these two players, and they've got headphones on, and they're making chess moves. And the thing we know about chess is that it's strategic. So I make a move now because I'm planning to move something later, and I'm trying to make decisions right now that are going to impact on my future. And right now, like all my decisions, I'm like, and then in the next minute, ding, the bell goes, and they get rid of the chessboard, and now we've got boxing gloves on, and I'm just this guy. I'm taking body shots and head shots, and I'm like ducking and trying to just like survive. And I really feel that this is where I'm in right now, trying to survive. So this is now my ringtone. I'm sure you can relate. The only thing is I don't know when this game's going to end or this sport is going to end. It's just I'm just hanging in there. What's your ringtone? What was it at the beginning of lockdown and what is it now? Please share with me. Cheers.